Introducing DreamyBot L10 Prime. Enjoy clean floors throughout your home without having to clean the floors throughout your home. Dual high-speed rotary mops scrub floors for extraordinary deep cleaning. With ultrasonic carpet detection, L10 Prime raises its mops and ramps up suction on carpet. L10 Prime intelligently raises its mops when encountering rugs and carpets, keeping them nice and dry. With a robust rubber brush and powerful 4,000 Pascal suction, dirt and debris are easily handled. Tailor your cleaning in the app to suit your needs. With upgraded LiDAR navigation and an advanced SLAM algorithm, L10 Prime rapidly generates a detailed 3D map of your home to expertly navigate and clean.
Start cleaning mop pads.
With automatic mop washing and blow drying, L10 Prime cleans your floors and itself.